Hello and greetings from the Power Wash store. We are here presenting our brand new state-of-the-art hot water water dragon drop-in skid unit. We have on the skid itself two 55-gallon chemical storage tanks, a 100-gallon fresh water tank with a Titan inlet hose reel. You can see on this hose reel we have 100 feet of hose. Obviously you can fit a lot more on there, at least another 100 feet of garden hose for inlet. We have easy access to the inside of the tank, right through the middle of under the hose reel here, through the bulkhead. In the tank itself we've plumbed a Hudson float valve so that you can hook it up to the water and not worry about the tank overflowing. We have plumbed the bypass line from the pressure washer back into the tank. On our chemical tanks you'll see we have a low pressure and a direct applicator line running into it. This goes to the downstream chemical injector. We have that on each tanks. They're plumbed to the bottom of the tank. On these tanks you'll notice that there are no bulkhead fittings on the bottom, so that you don't have to worry about the chemical damaging the tanks or damaging the bulkhead fittings and causing leaks. We have a 8-gallon a minute hot water dragon skid on here with the integrated hose reels. You can see we've put a 3-way ball valve on this machine, which allows you to choose from tank number 1, tank number 2, or an off position. On the back of the ball valve we've installed a quick connect banjo cam lock fitting that's poly, so it holds up real well to any bleaches or corrosives. Very easily disconnect it from the unit. You can connect another line to this with a fitting that we have available that comes with it. And you can run that line to a remote tank or a secondary tank if you need to transfer chemicals onto the system, or you want to draw from something off the truck. You can see very easily, just put it right back on and everything's back. We have a large hot water diesel tank. We have a battery that's very easy to access. With this machine being as tightly packed as it is, as you can see, we still have everything very easy to access and service. If you have to do anything with changing lines, for if you blow a hose, if you have to get at the relay for the burner, everything is still very easily accessible. Plenty of room to work on the equipment, nothing's trapped in there. We have our unloader with our bypass line plumbed to our tank on a remote unloader block to keep the weight off the pump. We have a 1-inch high volume inlet filtration system. We have an additional pressure relief valve directly on the pump should you ever have a problem with the unloader failing, so that you don't damage the pump. We have an onboard low pressure chemical applicator system. This particular one, the customer requested a Fatboy, which you can see underneath here. We have your accumulator plumbed directly in. Very easy to operate, just turn the switch on and off. Here we have our poly trigger gun, which you can see in there. On this particular unit, the customer requested a remote control system, which you can see we have right in here with twin chemical, which runs back to the tanks. You can turn it on. There's chemical 1. There's chemical 2. If we want to start or stop the unit, we can turn it to the run position and hit our start, and that will start it. And when we want to stop it, we just hit the off button. Nice, simple 4-button remote. 2 of them come with each system. They'll work up to 125 feet guaranteed. I've had them work as far as 200 feet, again depending on what kind of interference might be in the area. We have your on-off start. The machine has to be in the run position for the remotes to start or stop the engine. This is an 8-gallon a minute general pump. We have a high volume 20-inch heater. This particular unit, the customer requested a Titan electric hose reel. Both of these hose reels we have with the stainless plumbing. We have integrated downstream chemical injection that works with the 2-step. On the side we have a little lance storage area, and all this fits on a skid that is 78 inches by 48 inches. It will fit in the back of a short bed pickup or the back of a long bed pickup with a box installed. And again, you can see here 78 inches long and 48 inches wide. Some more innovation for you from the Power Wash store.